So we'll go back and queue for Uncharted, or are you like
I'll dry off eventually. Or we go in the other one, I get wet again, and then you get wet, we both get wet.
Might not.
Oh, you will.
Already did.
You got wet.
Oh, no, trail. Oh, God. Oh, no, you're back.
Not have much luck with what racing.
Nope. That's part of the joy.
Oh, my God! No, my shorts are gonna go see-through. To get myself. Oh, you were going to have a hell of a rough back. Come on! Oh my God, no, there's another one.
That's come through there. Oh yeah. Fuck.
My shoulders! I just got trophy! I'm totally drowning. I'm drowning. I got the way and she didn't want to. My shoulders! No! I can tie this around my... But I mean, not that they expect really.
I got wet again. I got wet.
What's fine, we'll dry off quick. My fucking shorts. Just tie this around me. My shorts don't fit.
You want to do driving camp?
I feel okay actually.
Right, we're going to Mexico then. Yeah. Is that what only wants to go to? I think it was. Well, I think they are. If my glasses are wet. That we were going down into you.